This is your macroeconomics video on adjusting variables for inflation. We know that over time, comparing two different years of data on any number, including wages or budgets, can be distorted by inflation between various different time periods. Inflation makes it harder to compare things like dollar amounts from one time to another. So we can actually use any CPI or any price index to adjust these figures so that they can be compared without inflation. So for this example, I'm going to use prices of gasoline. So in 1981, in March, a gallon of gas cost $1.42, and the CPI of that year was 88.5. But then in August of 2005, gasoline was $2.50 a gallon, but the CPI of that year was 196.4. So what we're going to do is use those CPIs to adjust these figures for us. So we're going to take the older number, $1.42, and express that 1981 gas price in 2005 dollars. That means the value of the dollar in 2005, or what gas in 1981 would have costed if the CPIs were the same as they were in 2005. So to do that, we're going to take the older price, the $1.42, and multiply it by the new CPI over the older CPI. And when we do that, it would mean that gas prices in 1981 would have been $3.15 in 2005. So gas prices were very, very expensive comparatively in 1981. There were gasoline shortages that were going on at that time period. So even though $2.50 is nominally higher than $1.42, in real terms, gas was more expensive in 1981. Now you're going to do an active learning. For active learning 10, you're going to figure out if economics majors are better off today or in 1990. You've got two salaries and you've got two CPIs. Please show your work and your answer.